Today, we're going to show you how to make a berry knot in 3 different ways. The first is the most common way. Let's tie 7 times for this knot, then tie less in other knots to see the difference. Seven times. Then pass the middle 2 cords through the middle, above the first knot. Now we need to tie one more time to fix it. This is the first way. Let's tie 6 times in the second way. You will see this berry knot will be a little smaller than the first one. Now we need a hook for helping. Same as the first one, let's pass the middle 2 cords through the middle, above the first knot again. Then pass the cords on both sides, through the holes on each side. You can just finish it, or make one more knot as you like. It's the second way. Okay, the last way. Let's tie 5 times. It will be smaller and smaller. we need to do is tuck the 4 cords together into the middle hole. That's all. We can see they are almost same from the front, but there will be a slight difference in size, and will be protruding more if you tie more times. We hope this helps you guys, and please click the subscribe button if you like our videos.